In this video, we will learn how to keyword research in detail about your local business as well as for the generic website. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel, and in this video we are going to talk about keyword research in detail. So what is keyword research and how you can implement in your daily SEO strategy? Then you should keep on watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click that red button. You will be amazed by the content we are going to upload in near future. So let's get started. Keyword research. So what is keyword research? Keyword research is a step before content marketing. Okay, and you must need a keyword that is already there to form a content around that particular keyword, which we have already done in the previous video. So what is a keyword? Keyword is a phrase, a text phrase you can say, which user may be searching for it in the Google or any search engine, and you can rank your website for that particular keyword. So keyword, like whenever you open a Google and type something about or want to know information about some subject, then you just type that out, like dentist in Texas, right? And there you will have a list of results from the Google, and these are the result of a good SEO. Okay, and they have applied the SEO strategies and they have formed the content around that particular keyword, and they are ranking high in this particular keyword. Obviously there are external factors like backlinks or reviews, trust factors, social media signals, or web directory signals, etc. for the local, and there it is. So we will know how to form a keyword research in your daily SEO life if you have a local business. So first part will be the local business. So if you have a local business, so you will got to know how to create a template on using Google. And before jumping on the solution, let me tell you what you actually need before we implement this particular strategy. First is you need a keyword tool. For the keyword tool, you should sign up for SEMRUSH.com. Go to the SEMRUSH.com and there just sign up for a week's account, and if you already have a SEMrush account, then you will be good to go. If you don't, just sign up for this because that's the best tool out there and you don't need any other tool along with it, from the social media marketing to your daily SEO strategy needs. So what you need is go to SEMrush.com and get SEMrush.com and sign up for the account. And second is you need Excel. If you have a Microsoft Excel, you do a lot of Excel, just open that particular sheet or create a new worksheet, or you can create a new worksheet using Google Sheets, which is sheets.new. It will automatically create a new sheet with your account. Okay, so I will put that header keyword research template. Okay, so I'm just typing it out just like that. And for the first part, we are going to talk about the local business keyword search. And for the local business, what matter is the keyword of your main business. Like in this part, we are going to take a dentistry business, and their second will be the local city. So local city will be your city wherever you're living. I'm just taking example of dentist in Texas. Okay, so how to implement that to your business, then you're going to learn that in the following minutes. Go to the keyword magical tool and create a, here you will get this dashboard, keyword magic tool, and there you can perform your search like dentist in Texas. And for that, and afterwards, obviously you need to select your country. If you are living in India, Germany, or somewhere else, just select your country and click on search. And after conducting a search, it will take a 2 or 3 seconds to load up the results. As you can see, the all keywords are this much and total volume are this much, and the average keyword difficulty is around 24%. So that's must be a good news. And before jumping on to the next step, let me tell you what you actually need. If your site is pretty new and you have a low domain authority or something like that, then you should go for a lower keywords. Okay, and if you have a established website, if you have acquired some domain from other guy or your friend and you're just launching a new strategy for your domain, then you can just go for upper keyword difficulty ratio. So I just recommend you to go for up to this possible filter here, and obviously which is easy ones. So we will be not doing the difficult ones because I assume your site is pretty much new, so we will be going towards that. And the second thing I want to do, if you are unsure about your domain authority or rating, you can just go for the domain overview. And after going to domain overview, just type your URL here. Let me just go to any link from the here. So yeah, so I'm just typing this particular business in domain overview and click on search. And here you will find the authority score. So if you have a authority score above 10 and you have a pretty much decent traffic, then you should go for the difficult keywords, because most probably you are going to rank for it. And if you don't have some organic search, so that means your site are pretty new, so you should just skip that part and just go for possible to easy keywords out there. So going back to the keyword magic, here I've already searched for the dentist in Texas. So here what you need to do is, first you need to create a keyword list. Okay, and here is a add to keyword list. Just click on it and create a new list. So here I will say dentist in Texas list. So in the later part we will be exporting that to our Google Sheet, so that will be for the later part. And here as you can see, the dentist in Texas, it is a default. It should be default, because if you select other as a default, it will add all those keywords to that particular list. So now moving forward to the keyword magic tool. Obviously here is a dentist in Texas, and here's the difficult, which is a lot, but I will be adding this because this is the main keywords out there which you can rank for, and you should form a content around it. So I'm just adding this as our main keyword because that should be there. Now we are going to apply the filters. So here is all, and here's a broad match. Okay, we don't need a questions right now, but I will move that part in the later minutes, and how you can actually apply that questions to your keyword research. And here's the broad match. It should be a broad match, not be a phrase match or exact match. Okay, if you are searching for a particular keyword, then you should apply this, but I will tell that in the broad match here. Okay, and then languages, if you have a language preferences, then go for it. And there is a volume, if you need any volume preferences, you should go for it, but I will apply only keyword difficulties. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the 30 to 50% possible keyword. Okay, or you can apply a custom range to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply 0 to 49, which is around the possible keyword cap, and click on apply. So it will start applying that to our research result. So as you can see, the total volume will decrease, and all keywords are around 276, which is actually fine with me. And there is an intent. So intent is commercial, transactional, navigation, or information. Obviously you need a lead, then it should be two, commercial and transactional. I will apply that to my keyword list, and keyword will also reduce, and obviously with the total amount. And what I need to do is next is for the CPC. You don't need to apply that to your keyword search, so let it be. So there's the include keyword. So include keyword, obviously, which is a dentist in Texas, which is already included here. And if you want a specific sector or a area, then you should also apply that also. Like if you have a some certain area around the Texas and you want to match that also, you should start adding that in this include keywords. So there's also a all keywords here, which is the helper keywords, I would say. And in this there's the best city, etc., and there are various other out there, but I will move along with dentist in Texas. And as you can see, the dentist is Corpus Christi, Texas. Okay, this is also can be your winning keyword, right? As I was saying, if you want to target a particular area, so this is the particular area, like dentist in Houston, Texas, dentist in Livingston, Texas, etc., right? And let me just add that. There you go. Just start adding all the keywords that is relevant to your business. So I want to add all these areas just like that, because these are the keywords that can be possible to rank here. As you can see, the possible, and there it is with the keyword difficulty ratio. So as I see, everything is looking good. Dentist here, dentist this. So now next it comes from the best cosmetic dentist here. Okay, so let me check that all. Add to keyword list from, so it has been added. So going to the next page. So these are the different areas you can just match around it, and there you go. Let me add that also in my dentist. So these are the different areas, so let me also add that here. So by selecting the commercial and transactional intent, it has deleted all the navigation and informational. Like if you want to know information about the dentist, that the different subject, okay, and that's for the content marketing. So And for the local business, first is a commercial and transactional keywords, and that should be your number one priority, right? And for that part, we have selected everything here in our keyword list. And now what you need to go is go to the keyword manager here, and here you will find all the keyword lists you have selected, and these are the keywords list. And now export to Excel access file. So you will use that with your Google Sheet, or you can also use Excel for it. So I will be using the Google Sheet. Click on upload and browse that file. Just click that. It will replace this particular sheet. Replace spreadsheet. Import data. Now here you have everything you need, okay, and the database of US and the keyword and every metrics out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the irrelevant columns out there, and for that I'm just selecting this and delete column, so other will move back to this. So let me just broaden the result here. So now it is a seed keyword which we have already entered, like dentist in Texas. So I'm going to delete that also. And there is a tags. Let's also delete that. Volume I want to keep it. Keyword difficulty I want to keep it, because that's the main part of it. And CPC I don't want to that. Competition and number of result I want to add that. Here is the intent I want to add. There is the sub features I want to add, and there is a trend which I want to delete, and there's the click potential I want to add, and there's the competitor which I want to delete. So delete selected columns, and now we have got what we actually need. Let me just add that with the keyword difficulty percentage here, and now let me just narrow it down. So why you need a search features, I will tell you in the upcoming minutes. And there's a click potential. I will add a CP here. What is click potential? Obviously, whatever you search on the Google, there is actually many sub feature out there. Like here, there is a local pack. Local pack means let me just search again. So this is the local pack, which is the places. So it should be there. And there is the image pack, reviews pack. So image pack is if they have added an image here, there will be this. The review pack, obviously the review pack will be this. And there is the AdWords top. So many people may be using AdWords to target this particular keyword, and here it is. These are the AdWords for that particular keyword. And there is the FAQ frequently asked question. This is the people also ask, which is also the FAQs. So these are the sub features which is added to this particular keyword. So you should be aware of that. And if you want to run ads for your particular area of Texas, like here dentist is in Silsbee, Texas, then you can see there is no AdWords top or AdWords bottom, so you can just search for it and apply your advert here. So these are the different sub feature which I want to add. And the CP is click potential. Obviously there is a greatest dentist job in Austin, Texas, which actually we don't need it. And here it says the 90% of it. Click pressure is 90. That means 90% they may click on your link. And as you can see, there are side links, local packs, something like that. There's a click potential is 20. So more the click potential is, more the chance it will get redirected or linked to your particular website. That means there are more likely chance you will get a traffic from this particular keyword. So I want to add that also. And now what I'm going to do is to shortlist our keywords, now we are going to forward to mapping. So what will a mapping we will create a folder or a content slash, and there we will start adding our keywords. And what is that? First, what you need to do is, if your business in that particular city or state, you should start adding that particular keyword, like dentist in Texas. So this will be your first keyword, and it should be your homepage. Okay. And so the volumes. So this will be your first keyword and for this particular slug, or I would say in this particular page, you need to add certain keywords to rank for this particular page. And for this part, we will start adding the main keywords here. But if you want to target only your area, like here, as you can see, the dentist is Manor, Texas, then you can just add here Manor, Texas. So if you want to add this particular keyword here, then you should add everything about the Manor, Texas. So if we just add that here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these 3 matrices here. So, and for this particular page I will be ranking these keywords. So that's what I'm trying to say. If you want to just target your area, you can just add for this particular keyword and that, but I suggest you to first add your main keyword or a main city here and start adding everything about the Texas, dentist in Texas. And for that part, as you can see, there are various keywords that target local here, but there is also a keywords that been there for particular city, like here, dentist in Texas. Let me add that, dentist in Texas. As you can see, there is top dentist in Texas. Let me add that. You can also apply the filter here if you know a little bit about this. And now we are going to apply the best here, filter by condition, and text contains best. Click on OK. So it will give us everything about the best dentist in Texas. As you can see, best cosmetic dentist in Texas, best dentist in Texas, and these are about the generic keywords or the local area keyword. Let me just copy that, clear the filter, and paste that here. So this will be our home page or a one page where we will apply these particular keywords. And as you can see, the total number of keywords here, and the volume is here, and the keyword ratio obviously will be higher side, but we will be adding a lower one also. And now we have covered the whole city, and now we are moving forward to our area. You can pick up 2 or 3 areas around, like where the people are searching the nearby. I will say around 35 to 40 kilometers around your area, such that they can easily travel to your particular area. So you have to do a geographical research and start adding your areas like this. So I'm targeting only in Texas. So what you need to do is dentist in, let me say, a Manor, Texas, or let me add that Manor one, right? And start adding that keywords here. As you can see, there's only one keyword about it. So let me just add a B to it. And now here what you need to do is start adding your keyword about different areas and start adding pages about in your website. So as you can see, the volume is this, but keyword difficulty ratio is pretty less. So you can start building backlink to it, start forming content around it such that it will be easier. Okay, and there you can start adding your local areas again. Like, let me give you another example. And as you can see, there's a local area of Kingwood, Texas. Okay, and for that part, let me add it here, dentist in Kingwood, Texas. Okay, and let me bold that. And now let me filter again, filter by condition, has text contains Kingwood. Click OK. Okay, so there's only one. Keyword ratio is pretty decent also. Let me uncover that. So that's it. You can start adding your own more local areas to it and start creating these pages to your website. Okay, you can create these pages by going to blog, going to CMS. Like if you are using a WordPress, then you just go to the WordPress and add post, or you can say add pages, and keep that into your navigation, like in the footer navigation or in the header. So create a page around it and start targeting these particular keywords. And now next is about your services. So obviously there are many services you may be offering in your business, and start tapping that keywords on your SEO strategy. And for the service part, go back to this dentist in this page and go to the keyword magic tool again and go to the same result we have here. And now there may be many services out there that dentist has to offer, and there may be a people that searching for that particular services in your area. So next thing is, this will be this area specific. Okay, so this will be area specific keywords which we have shortlisted. There may be services, there may be keywords that people are using as a services, like root canals in dentistry part, right? And for that part, what you need to do is go to write that particular service and add your city or area name, just like that. And here it will revert everything about it, and you can see root canal cost. So people are wondering more about the root canal cost in Texas. So as you can see, there is many questions out there about the root canal cost in Texas, and there is also transactional keywords like here root canal treatment Texas, and there is all keywords that associated with it. First is the cost. So many people are searching for the cost. What you can do here is you can create a content or a blog around these particular keywords. What you can do is just click on the cost part and add these keywords and start adding content around it. As you can see, there are pretty much very volume out there, and you can actually tap on this particular market, and the keyword ratio is pretty down. So I'm not adding it this. So let's click on the dentist, and here you can see the root canal dentist Midland, Texas. So what you can do is in the root canals part, or create a services page like here, services, that will be your category, and you can add root canals in Texas. Okay, and that will be your slug. And for this part you can start adding these to it. Okay, as you can see, there are many searching for in Lubbock, Texas, or accepts Medicare for root canal, etc. Okay, and you can just add that particular keywords to your this page and start adding volume to this also. That will also help you to tap more into that particular market. This slug will help search engines to actually revert all those information from your website and to their search pages whenever user starts searching for that particular example. So that's the part of the later video. So that's how you can actually map your keywords in your keyword strategy. So that's how you easily research for the keywords. Okay, and there's also the best here. If we click on the best, as you can see, the best dental plan Texas root canal. So you can also start adding that here, and you can create a different services page for your business, and for the different services page you can add those keywords and start optimizing your content around it. So that's how you can easily do keyword search for the local business. First we have done how to search in the particular tool, and then shortlisting that particular keywords to your Google Sheets, and afterward create a pages, and for the specific pages we map different keywords like here, and you can start optimizing or creating content around these particular keywords. So that's it for the local business. If you have still questions in your mind, then you can start asking it in the description box, and in the next part we are going to do a keyword search for the generic websites, like the informational websites, or even if you have an app or something like that, we will do keyword search for that particular keywords. And now is the bonus part. Obviously you have built content around these services, etc., and now we are going to the content marketing part for the local business. And for the content marketing, what you can do is you don't have to include the Texas or the local here, but in the blog section you must have a content around your business. If you are offering a dentistry business, you must post the information about the dentistry industry, or even services about the dentist, how to keep your teeth healthy or something like that, right? And for that part you can start your content marketing. And how to do that? Just search for anything like root canals. People may be searching for the root canals here, right? And now you can start tapping that particular keywords that people are demanding the information from, such that they can just contact you, or maybe do an online consultancy for their particular teeth, or you can conduct that as your side business or side hustle, as you can say. As you can see, I have selected this United States and want to search for the root canals here, and there is a big volume about the root canals. And what is root canal? There's a 40,000 of people in US actually searching for it, and the keyword ratio obviously, which is on the higher side. And what we can do is we can go to the questions here, because for the content marketing we should look for the long tail keywords, and for the long tail keywords we must have a strategy towards it. And for that part we often use questions. There are many questions that they may be asking for it. And now for the keyword difficulty, I will be going with the same from the 0 to 49%. And if we apply that, the keywords will obviously filter that out. As you can see, there's 18,000 people searching for how long does a root canal take. You can form a content around it, and the keyword ratio is 29%. And now how to form a content around it such that you can rank higher in search engine. then you can just copy this particular keyword and start adding into your template or into your Google Sheet. Just copy these particular keywords and information and just shortlist the similar ones, like here is a how long does a root canal take, and there will be more information about it, like what causes root canal. Oh yeah, here is how long do root canal take. So these are many questions that you can apply only in one keyword search. Like here we will create another about content marketing, and for the content marketing, let me paste that how long. So this will be our slug. So you can just start adding every keywords that has the similar information. Okay, as you can see, these are the keywords. Just start adding that like we have done in here. Okay, the same process you have to take, and afterwards just copy this particular keyword, like how long does a root canal take. As you can see, the keyword difficulty is around 29. You can easily score that, and afterwards go to Surfer SEO. You can follow the link in the description box where you will find the Surfer SEO, and what it does is it will give you every information out there to form your content and improve your content around it. And now here, as you can see, there is a content editor. Go to the content editor, and as you can see, there are many keywords I have already searched. What you need to do is just paste this and search result for your area. So I suggest you to only search result for your specific area if you want to target only that particular area. Okay, and there is actually many out there in the Texas also. As you can see, Abilene, Texas and Lockhart, Texas, and you can choose any of it and just click on content editor, and if you open that content editor, it will form something like this. So there will be content like this, and these are the keywords you need to use in that particular content to get score. As you can see, the average score is 71 and highest is 81. So you should start adding your content and form a content around that keyword, which we have already shortlisted. Is how long does a root canal take, and start adding your content around such keywords here. As you can see, there are keywords which require only one in that particular content, and if you want to learn more about it, this particular part, we have already done a video about it in how to optimize or search engine optimize content for your blog. So you should start watching that video and apply that to your daily SEO life. So it will help you to outrank your competitor, and it will also help to increase your domain's authority in search engines. So I hope you like that bonus part, and if you have liked it, please click the like button. If you want much more videos about SEO, digital marketing, social media marketing, etc., you should subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video of keyword research about this generic website. Until then, bye bye.